This is Kingsley, a subscriber I met in London to help him be less self-conscious and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 31st episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Hi, excuse me. Lovely, I have to say. This is your older sister. I was curious if you wanted to go out for a drink. No worries.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so I'm in London with Kingsley.
Hi, Kingsley, 22. I'm an analyst, not from London at all. I'm a country boy. I just really want to get out of my boots. Growing up, I've always been quite self-conscious. I've always never really relaxed into interactions. I'm always trying to think ahead, okay, after the sentence is done, what am I going to say next to keep this conversation going so it's not awkward. I just want to get rid of that. I just want to mellow out. I haven't really had, I would say, serious relationships.
Okay.
Growing up, I was self-conscious, and where I was from, everybody knew everybody, so it kind of scared me from even opening up to girls when I was younger. Through secondary school and sixth form, but as I've left school and just gone to new environments, it's progressed quite decently.
Any last thoughts before we start?
No, let's just do it.
Okay, let's go.
Sorry, I just thought you were stunning. I was just thinking I had to get your name.
Sorry, hold on one sec, Neymar. Sorry.
I just thought you were stunning, so I just had to grab your name.
Thank you.
Now, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm actually engaged.
You're breaking my heart. See, I walked up, I knew you'd be trouble, and you've really broken my heart.
Sorry.
But don't worry, I've broken up.
Thank you.
I've broken up enough marriages already. So anyway, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye bye.
Okay, good. First interaction.
Yeah, no, I thought it was good. Happy.
I just thought it was interesting that the first thing you ask is what's her name. The name is kind of irrelevant. You can have a 20-minute interaction with someone without knowing their names. You don't really need their names. I just felt that if you were truly present, I don't think that you would have said that.
Yeah, it did. I do agree with you. It threw me a little bit when I walked up to her because I realised she was on the phone.
This is about being present, and so I'm just trying to help you be more self-aware of moments where you're not present, so you can,
got it.
Understand yourself basically and progress, I guess.
Hi, girls. I was just thinking you're both stunning, but I thought you were especially beautiful, and I was curious what you were doing today.
I'm actually going out this evening.
I can tag along. No, so, what do you do here?
I'm a student.
Student.
Right, okay.
I'm going to try and guess what you study. Okay. You third year? Masters, bachelors?
No.
PhD?
No. Law student.
Law. I was going to guess. I wouldn't have said law. I don't know what I would have thought with you. No, but I was curious if you wanted to go out for a drink or something sometime.
Thank you. Why don't I give you, or you give me your number?
I'll take your number.
Okay.
But yeah, if you want to go for a drink or something sometime, I'll let you know. But it was lovely meeting both of you. Have fun. I thought it was pretty smooth. I was happy with it. I had a feeling that they knew I was coming, I was approaching. They see me walk around, but then just grabbed the chair, sat up next to them.
I thought it was really cool, actually.
Yeah, sat down. That's something I probably never would have done before. Let's keep it rolling. Excuse me. Sorry, I thought you were all beautiful, but I thought you were especially beautiful. I was curious what you're up to today.
I'm good.
Oh, I've caught you off guard. No, sorry.
No, sorry. I'm good. I'm good. Sorry.
No, that's all right. I was just trying to be calm, though. I just thought you were especially pretty, and I'm just curious to get to know you. Do you not get this often?
We're kind of in a hurry. I can give you my Instagram.
I'd rather the number, but
Number.
it's alright if you don't. You don't feel forced or anything.
Make the choice, girl.
Firstly, what's your name? Kingsley.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
No. I've caught you off guard now.
Do you have WhatsApp or anything?
I do, yeah.
I'll.
Joe, just put in your Instagram.
Oh yeah, okay.
Sorry, what were your names?
Honestly, if you're not interested, you don't have to talk to me.
Yeah,
seriously.
same.
Oh no, I just think...
No, I'm just saying,
Yeah, that's what I was like.
it literally, it doesn't bother me.
I'm just being polite.
No,
Thank you for being polite.
No, that's right.
Okay,
It's
just
my
be polite to her,
Instagram.
I don't
Obviously, the
mind.
signal line either.
Anyway, I'll let you get off there. Have fun. Have a nice day. They were startled. Their first reaction was what? What was going on?
What's going on?
Yeah, I just thought I'm surprised my reaction wasn't just to run away there. I was quite happy. I was just calm down,
Chill,
just chill.
The thing is, if you relax, they will also relax.
Yeah.
And then something I noticed, you say, "Oh, can I have your number?" What is the essence that you're after? What do you want? Are you collecting phone numbers? No, you want to see her again. So if they agree to see you again, then the phone number or the mean of contact is a formality, right? Don't be blinded by the external token of the number. The number is nothing.
No, I can put that into play. Yeah, cool. Hi, excuse me. Firstly, I just thought you were stunning. I just wanted to come up and say hello. So, what are you doing today?
I'm just.
Oh, you're on the Kindle. Shit. What are you reading?
Well, multiple things. It's.
You're not the type of person that can stick to one book. You're always in between.
How are you?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Just visiting for the day, and I thought, shit, beautiful girl. I'll regret not coming up and saying hello. Yeah. What's your name? What have your plans for today?
Well, actually, I moved here yesterday.
Oh shit, you've been here a day and you've read it for. England, the UK is not all like this. You don't get hit on by guys every day. I'll apologise. Is it alright if I just sit down? Yeah, cool. If you want to go to the art museum tomorrow,
yeah.
I'd love to take you.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, sure. It's alright if I grab your number.
Yeah.
So anyway, I've got to go run and meet a friend, but it's lovely to talk to you.
Yeah, it was really lovely to meet you as well.
Lovely to meet you again. Very formal, I know.
Yeah.
But anyway, have a lovely day.
You too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, no, that was good. That was pretty sound interaction, I've got to say. Like, lovely to talk to. Stunning. Really, really pretty. Open to the conversation. Good smile on her initially when I spoke to her, and then there was points where I was a bit like shit. Like when she finishes this sentence, what am I going to say? And like, it wasn't too bad. I felt like I came off pretty. Yeah, no, I'm happy with where I came out, with how I presented myself and my how I came to talk. Yeah. I wasn't rushed. I didn't feel anything. It was just free flowing, I have to say.
Nice, bro.
Cheers.
That was a really solid interaction.
Cheers. Hi there. Sorry. Firstly, I thought you were stunning.
Oh, thanks.
You're stunning too. I was curious what you're doing today.
We are going to karaoke right now.
Karaoke?
Yeah.
What songs would you choose?
I'm gonna start with Overprotected by Britney Spears.
Britney Spears, that's a good choice. Oh shit, it's not Paris I'm thinking about. Katy Perry. I think it's Katy Perry. I can do Firework. I can prove. Don't Stop Believing.
That's
That's what I would go to.
Nice.
But have you just got karaoke tonight?
Yeah, and then meeting the boyfriends, guys.
You're meeting your boyfriend.
Yeah.
You're breaking my heart.
It's okay. Have
It's
a
alright.
good time.
No worries.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy your karaoke, girls. Bye bye. Hi. Excuse me. Sorry, I just saw you back there. I thought you were stunning. I was curious what you were doing today.
Today, I'm literally meeting my friends for dinner later.
Where are you from in
Ireland.
Yeah. Where from?
Dublin.
Dublin. Oh, I'm not. I've got family from County Fermanagh.
Oh,
So
I know it.
I can blend in a little bit like a social party. Say, when somebody says I'm Irish, I'll be like, I'm half Irish. Yeah, I'm blended.
You're a little bit in there, like.
I'm Welsh. I'm half Welsh, half Irish.
Interesting.
Yeah, but I sound Southern. Nice to meet you, Kingsley.
Sorry, my hand's kind of sweaty.
That's fine. Everybody's hands sweat. See,
I know, it's the heat.
that's the thing with shaking hands. It's just like shit. Is my hand sweaty?
I know, stop the worst.
But no, I think it's something normal. But yeah, you look lovely. I have to say, I love the. I do like it when a girl wears yellow. I do. Yeah. What are you up to now?
Right now, I am walking home.
You're walking home?
Yeah.
Long walk?
A little bit, yeah. But I have a phone call today, so I won't be able to stay with you, I'm afraid.
No, that's
but
fine.
It was lovely to meet you, and that's so flattering. Thank you for coming up to me. That's so nice.
If you want to do something later, tomorrow.
I will find Kingsley on Facebook.
That's fine. Don't worry.
No, okay. It was lovely to meet you.
That's fine. Don't worry. Have a lovely day, Sally. Bye. As soon as I turned around, the first thought I had in my head was like, I probably should have pushed it a little bit, but I think it was such a good interaction. I enjoyed that. Cool. Excuse me. Sorry. I thought you were stunning. I was curious what you were doing today.
I'm going for drinks.
You're going for drinks?
Yeah.
What? Anywhere?
So
from here? You visiting her? You've known her for a while, or?
Yeah, from uni.
From uni?
Yeah.
You're out of uni now?
Yeah. I'm old.
You're old.
Probably older than you.
Age doesn't matter. I'm young. I'm glad that I look young, but I can teach you a few things. I can teach you how to have fun again. I imagine it's 7 p.m. You get into bed, you watch Emmerdale.
True.
Yeah,
true.
I can. We can go for drinks somewhere, and I'll actually tell you where we're going. That's what we're talking.
I mean, that is one up from today, but.
Yeah. What was your name? How old are you?
30.
30. Gee, no, I never would have thought that. Honestly, I would have pegged you down for 24.
How old are you?
How old do you think?
I don't know, 20.
22.
Oh, so
almost 23. So, see.
I'm almost 31 though, so...
Age is just a number for that. Age is just a number.
Well, I appreciate the chat.
You don't want to go for drinks or something later?
I'm afraid not.
You're afraid not? I knew you'd be trouble.
But it was nice to meet you.
That's fine. Don't worry. Have a lovely day. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.
No, that went really well. Went up to spoke to her. Like initially, she was like a bit shocked, like which is just natural. And then
It's natural. When someone sees someone as handsome as you, like you have to give them a chance to adapt. You know?
mate. Are you hitting on me? Is this where it's going? The amount of times you touched
Especially a fake
he
YouTube
really
channel.
yeah
Used to meet you.
he really enjoyed putting the microphone on my chest. There was a lot of tape, a bit too much. Like with the last one, you did. Maybe I should have pushed it a little bit more for the.
You have to talk to people as if it was already a done deal, basically.
Yeah. Next time that comes up, I'm going to push it a little bit more because right now I'm being a bit too passive.
Little bitch,
Apologies, sorry to interrupt. I just thought you were stunning. I was just curious what you were up to today.
We're just going to see a show.
What show are you going to see?
Cinderella.
I haven't seen Cinderella. Have you seen Wicked? Yeah, so I didn't mean to interrupt. I'm guessing I'm going to do the classic line, but this is the older sister.
Oh, yeah, obviously.
No.
That's written something for me. Just my mum.
Yeah. What was your name, sorry? Do you mind if I've got a couple minutes, but do you mind if I just sit down for a second? That's fine.
I'm not.
You've got mother's permission, sorry. What was your name? I won't keep you too, disposed for too long, but I was wondering if I could just take you out for are you from London?
No.
Where are you from?
I mean, I'm going back home tomorrow, so...
Where's home?
Newcastle. Well, I mean, my new kind of home. But it's lovely to meet
How
you.
far is Newcastle from Lincoln?
From...
Lincoln.
I don't know.
I don't think it's too far. I think if I take your number, I think there is a possibility.
I think I'm okay, but thank you.
No worries.
It's lovely to meet you.
That's fine. It's all right. Enjoy.
Nice to meet you.
Have a nice day.
Take care.
You too.
Ow. Balls of steel over here. Nice.
Yeah, no, it wasn't nowhere near as bad as I thought. Like,
It's nice.
just like say hello to her, and then it's like, the whole mother thing. That I was a little bit intimidating, but I just went for it.
Just a few thoughts, you said,
Tear me apart.
I just want to know, what are you guys going to say? I thought you were beautiful. I just want to know what you were doing today.
Right.
Think of it like if you were let's say like right now you see a friend. Hey, what's up, John?
What are you doing today?
What are you doing today? You're not going to say, I just want... Like, the fact that you're wrapping your words like that, it just shows...
Not
It just your
comfortable.
uncomfortableness, like, sweating through, Any other thoughts?
No, let's get a few more.
Okay.
Sorry. Firstly, all three of you are stunning, but you captured my eye. I think you're beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
What are you three up to tonight?
We're just going for dinner. What are you doing?
I'm here visiting mates.
Okay.
But then I was walking towards them and I saw you three and I was like, they can wait a little bit. What are your names?
Kingsley.
Yeah. Have you met a Kingsley?
Kingsley. Never.
No. You wouldn't put me down as a Kingsley.
No.
What would I be? Steve?
I would have said Will.
Will?
Yeah.
Oh,
you
fuck.
doing the Will.
Shit, I might have to change my name for that. Will. But that doesn't work with my surname. But no, I was curious if I could take you out for a drink or something sometime.
I'm actually going back to uni in a week, so sorry. That wouldn't...
I'm here tomorrow. It's not a week away.
Wow, I love this. That's great.
It's my friend's birthday tomorrow. She'd kill me.
Why don't you get her number and then you can sort something out?
How? I don't know, your friend could always do with new friends. You can bring me along.
Huh?
I could go along to the party, introduce myself.
When? Wow.
Hannah's tomorrow.
Oh, right.
I don't usually like that either.
Exchange.
I'll definitely take your number. Like that's without doubt. That was sealed. I'll call you just so when you get a text coming through, you know it's Kingsley.
Ready?
Yeah,
Sorry, we're running really late.
That's fine. Don't worry. Have a lovely day.
Nice to meet you.
Bye bye.
See you later.
See you guys.
Enjoy your evening.
Thank you.
That was a great way to finish.
That was pretty solid interaction.
Yeah.
I pushed it a little bit more. It was quite nice when like a mate just like commenting like, I love his confidence, I love his energy, that sort of stuff. And yeah, I kind of played off a bit of that. Kind of reassured me. But
And also it's cool because we were talking about like pushing it, and now you push it and it worked. So I think that was a nice progression on the pushing side of things.
yeah, no, like that. I think that's what wrapped it up so much to like be like actually nice for me. Like I realised like I was pushing it and it was working, and that I felt completely calm during that. I was really relaxed.
It's a good reference point. So now you know it's okay to push it.
Yeah, and it can even be easier with friends.
Cool. That was a great last interaction.
Yeah, getting a little bit tired now.
Okay, Kingsley. So how was today?
Yeah, a lot of fun. A bit slow at the start. We spent an hour walking around trying to find people, but I'm pretty happy with like all those interactions. I'm chuffed with the whole thing.
Did you get any insights from today? Any sort of like things you're gonna take home?
Whole like feeling of being so relaxed, like doing these interactions. Like I hope, like I know that's going to stick with me. Like it's just getting into that zone and getting into the flow state, just over the moon about.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
Contact Ruben, get on it. Like the progress I've seen in myself just from one day, having somebody in your corner, like I wouldn't say you've been egging me on, but you've been encouraging. It's made a world of difference just having, yourself here. Just as you're so relaxed in the process, it like.
What did you say?
You're so relaxed, like in the process. It's just like you've been like a little.
What do you mean?
It's just like having somebody to talk to afterwards, and like how calm you are about it, and just it's like you're like a little, what's the word? You're like a little monk. You're just like an all-knowing monk, and it's like you've got a question.
It's just like reminding you that it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
That it's not a big thing. It's chill, basically.
Until you do it, you don't really realize how normal it feels to like get into this flow state. It's very much like those last few interactions just felt completely normal. Didn't feel like effort at all. And like before this, I was like, shit, like I had to build myself up. But once you get into that state and like you realize just how easy it is it you literally are just going up, talk to them, like you say a few simple words, hi, I think you're stunning, what are you up to? And then it just clicks.
It's so simple.
Yeah.
It's like any other interactions you have with your friends, really. There's nothing.
No.
There's nothing. And it's almost like the more trivial and simple it is, the better it is, because that's what your best interactions are. Like all of your interactions with your closest friends are actually very simple.
Yeah.
Cool. Any last words?
No, apart from just put yourself out there and just actually do this sort of thing. It does make a world of difference, I feel.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. My email is ruben@socialanimal.us, so if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. I'm going back on the East Coast on Tuesday, so if you're in New York, Boston, Philly, or DC, let's make it happen in October. That's it for today. See you next time.